It's tough. It's tough on everybody. I feel bad for all the shops, all the small businesses. Um, Fortunately for us, we're an essential business, so we're open. But for many, they're not essential businesses and they're not open. But the reason we're here and why we're essential is because we're supporting all those healthcare workers and police officers and firemen that have to go to work every day. But it's not just them. The IT guy that has to get into the shop to make sure that your phone works or your internet's still up and running, or it's also the workers that are supporting the grocery stores. Think of all the grocery store workers. They have to get up and go to work every day. So we're an essential business because we support those people. A lot of them, right, use a bike for two wheels. That's how they get back and forth, using those two wheels. It's also just the general public that needs to get out and drive to the grocery store to get groceries or pick up toilet paper. If two wheels are your only mode of transportation, or it's the best option you have, then we're here to support you if you have a problem. If your bike doesn't start or you have a flat tire in the morning, we're offering free pickup or delivery. It's a big deal to be able to be available to them and to support them. But we're also a small business, and we do we're doing the best we can supporting other small businesses by buying lunch, takeout from local restaurants that we frequent often. And we kind of need others to do the same thing with us as an essential business, because we're still a small business and we still got to make it through this like everybody else. So if you need work done, we're here and we're available to you. If you don't need work done, we appreciate you still, and think of us when you do need something, because we're here and we'll be available to you. We hope we make it through this like everybody else, and we hope everyone stays safe and healthy.